Okay, YouTube, gonna do a real quick video of the Tactica original lightweight, strong, versatile, multi-tool redefined. So this is version 2.0. I had in the version 1, and it just wasn't that good of build quality. There's kind of a information. Made in Melbourne, Australia. Congratulations, because you're in the beginning of something really exciting. Basically, whatever it is you do, it's about to get better. So that's it for packaging. Here's the tool. So the first one didn't have metal. It was all this plastic material, and the problem was that it just didn't hold up. This here is bottle opener, and so you would do that and it would just get bunged up and bent up and didn't really look like it was going to last. So here's what we got. Package opener, which is this part right here. We got hex bit storage, flexible light duty socket, imperial and metric rulers, bottle opener, heavy duty socket. So definitely a lot better build quality than the first version with that metal skeleton. And there we have some measurements. You don't have a little bit of noise, but not too bad. Let's see if we can get this off. Bit, your flat bit. And then it's like that. So it doesn't really lock in, which is unfortunate because it'd be nice to do that, but another little thing you can throw in your pocket, has the little options. So there you go. That is Tactica original. And this was originally a Kickstarter, and then when version 1 wasn't really working out and living up to its expectations, they updated it with just the metal skeleton inside there. And that's it.